This is an update. This is not a yawa. Now, you people know President Rawlings died yesterday, and yes, I've done series of videos about it on conversations happening on social media. Now, right now, if you go on Twitter, something triggers something like the conversation line did there, it just they make my mind, they make stable. So I just want to make we do some analytical segment of the in a brother. Now there's this account, this woman, a Twitter account where the woman can post. You can post pictures or collage. Do the pictures like collage, a lot of pictures we do collage. We be the woman and Papa J. Whoa. So as I was saying, when me make I just get money then go find some estate inside state because we trust our country mess and kwasiade we on. Who should try quick come on. So you people are hearing it, or yeah, I'll still do my video regardless. So as I was saying, the woman can post some pictures, we collage. You collage, Papa J, be like the happy times and things. You do collage, where you post, where you caption them like this. You do them in French, but I go to translate. Oh God. 11 ans de complicité. I'm trying to read the French, don't laugh at me. The hores, the respect, the admiration, affection, the bonheur, my soul poured out me, my hero, my soulmate. Hero, soulmate. Okay. Just imagine pass la young English. So yeah, this is the translation. 11 years of complicity, laughter, respect, admiration, affection, happiness. Thank you for everything, my hero, my soulmate. The soulmate part be what Twitter people know, they understand. Say soulmate, the connotation, they connotate what? Was she President Rawlings' side chick or something like that? Well, so if you go through the quota replies for that particular post now, people are, hey, who is this one? Where from this one? Like people are curious. People want to know what soulmate. Let me continue. So I can't imagine life without him. May your prayers. Oh God, let me just shoot this video. Oh! See God. Yeah. This verse, okay. May your prayer support Nana Amina, Zaneto, Kimati, Ya, and all those who loved him and whom he loved. And that's a meeting anything Timo say. I said the caption the woman give them the pictures where you associate plus the caption they make people they make curious. Was she Papa J's side chick or what? What do I say? So if you go, as I say, if you go through the quoted replies, Charlie not be small. Not be small. The woman too, she be Ivorian. She dey speak French and things. Where she be fair. You say Papa J, yeah. As they do for the black girls, they do for the white girls. So no racism and things. So yes, that is what is happening, and people are talking. People, Ghanaians, you pass them near there, but me, my own. You see this thing. Papa J was a strict man and things. If you just conclude, see that was or that be Papa J inside chick. Maybe being friend, best friend. You see, imagine if you money to Ghana, that boy, you be putting a relationship between a man and a woman means that the man the bank. And that be why we are here. Probably that be Papa J, best friend, bestie, what I say. Where like he just comes so, but the soulmate thing be what they make people know but you people should relax. Papa J, Kunodu was the only soulmate in Papa J's life. Maybe the soulmate for here and then, I don't know what the woman did. So you people should calm down. Papa J, no, Papa J no go do this. Me, please. He be best friend. You people should accept it. It is the best friend. This no be side chick or anything. Yeah, I'm on to boss now. Somebody died, they can't do this side chick matter and things. And la relation. You need to relax. Relation. What do I say? So yes, that is what is happening on Twitter. As I said, yes, if you go to the the woman's page and you see that particular tweet and you go through the quoted replies and the replies, I mean, a lot of Ghanaians are curious as to what is happening here. Why is she referring to Papa J as the soulmate, and why does she have all these kind of intimate pictures with Papa J, like some parts, then hold them hands and all those things. Me personally, I feel like maybe that being best friend, because there's no way Papa J go feed do alacrities on Nana Kunodu like that. So please, you people should calm down. Calm down. Papa J, may his soul rest in perfect peace. Perfect peace, young. Mapong.